So I decided to do my little presentation on succulents because I have baby succulents myself and I love them very much and I take care of them and they're super easy to manage. So what happens is the sun obviously produces a majority of the succulent's energy. Succulents do not need a lot of water because they are indeed desert plants. And here is a equation for photosynthesis, of course, and then the succulents gain all that energy, all of it. And then in Australia, they're called pack rats, these little cute things. They actually eat succulents, which I didn't know animals ate succulents. They're kind of hard, but I guess. So the succulents get eaten, and then the pack rats, they are pack rats, so they do travel a lot, and the pack rats do get energy, and that energy is then producing CO2, which goes back into the sun, which is just a big giant cycle. Thank you.